Out of these 7 people, which one are you? There are 7 group of people Allah has promised them to give them His shade on the day of judgment. Watch this video to the very end so that you will know the 7 type of people and know which of these 7 type of people are you. If you are not among, it is not too late. Number 1 is Imam Adi, the just ruler. If you are a just leader, you have been earning the shade of Allah on the day of judgment. The second person is a youth that is always moving away from sin and always remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The third person is a person that is heart normally attached to the mosque always. He will always like to go to the mosque for remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The fourth type of person is a person that resists temptation. A very beautiful lady call you to come and do zina with her and you resist that temptation solely for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You are winning the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment. The fifth person are 2 friends that they love each other for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone, not for the sake of anything than for Allah's sake. They will command each other to do good and forbid each other to desist from bad things. These 2 people, they have won the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day when there is no shade except His shade. The 6th person is the person that always give charity in secrecy. Allah Akbar. You give charity, your left hand does not know what your right hand gives out. The 7th person is a person alone in his house, remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and started crying. Allah Akbar. This is the utmost level of taqwa. You are remembering Allah and you are crying. Allah Akbar. Alone, without anybody preaching to you. If you are that kind of person, it means you have won the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day when there is no shade except His shade. Out of these 7 people, which one are you? Ask yourself. If you have not been any of these 7 people, it is not too late. You can start now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala perfect our shortcomings. May He count us among those people that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to give His shade on the day of judgment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.